how to evolve cards in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your card section, and over here when we select any particular card and click on this option of info, you would be able to see this option of cards that are available, and you would require wild shard or any troop specific shard or evolution shard in order to evolve any particular troop. Now you need at least 6 wild shards in order to complete the evolution. If you don't have the wild shards, then you won't be able to evolve your troop. Also, the first slot in your deck is the one where you have to place the evolved card in order to use it, otherwise you won't be able to use it. And you can check the wild shards in your magic items in your collection. And in order to get the wild shards, there are different ways. The first way is the free pass, and you can also get, obviously you can get the wild shards in the, if you purchase the royal pass, but the free one also gives you the wild shards. And on the king's journey, if you are over 50 level, you would be getting wild shards. Can you check out the purple shards over here? These are the evolution shards that you will be getting with the level ups after level 50. Also, you can get evolution shards from the daily deals. Sometimes it might appear, and from the events, the clan wards and the request cards. Just do them all, and also play the lucky drops daily in order to get the rewards. Just try everything. You might end up getting the wild shards. Collect 6 of them in order to evolve any particular card, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.